Today we're diving into the wonderful, delicious world of citrus as we harvest the MIHO Satsuma. Stand by, y'all. So the MIHO Satsuma is known for its incredible sweetness, its juiciness, and its easy to peel skin. MIHO Satsumas thrive in warm climates and are usually harvested in late fall to early winter. So when harvesting the MIHO Satsuma, it's important to know how to recognize ripe fruit. You should look for fruits that are fully colored, usually a bright orange. The MIHO Satsuma should be soft to the touch, but not mushy. If they're still firm, just give them a few more days. So let's harvest some. You want to gently grasp the fruit and twist it to break it away from the stem, but use caution, not to pull too hard, as this could damage both the fruit and the tree. You're gonna place the harvested fruit in your container and repeat. So let's do it.